Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new video. So I'm uploading the video today, the morning of 19th May. I was not able to upload it yesterday. So first let's see what's the analysis for today. That is today is 19th of May for the expiry. So as we all know that yesterday market almost give a gap up opening, not I would say a very huge gap up opening, but just a 0.5% kind of. And during the second half, it was not able to sustain those levels and it came down, and we could see a good amount of fall in Nifty and Bank Nifty. But the good thing was none of them has broken the intraday support. So let's see what can we predict, or what can be our analysis for today for the expiry day. So if we talk about like Nifty, so Nifty, the levels remains the same. So until or unless Nifty today in the intraday breaks the 16,200 levels, I would not consider going short in Nifty. Similarly, on the upper side, if we see, so these are my levels which I have marked. So that is 16,400 and above. So these levels I would look for Nifty to break first before going long in intraday. So these are the levels which is for intraday I am discussing. But if you are a positional trader and if you have carried overnight positions for today, so it's always better to carry positions below 16,100, because if we look at the global markets today, global markets are negative. So it was not a very good signal that we could get the same gap up opening today. So might be we can have some negative opening as well today, and we could see more like fall in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. So these are the levels, but you should keep in mind before taking any intraday positions. Now let's go to Nifty. Let's see Bank Nifty. So if we talk about Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty, if you could see, this was the level. So 34,640 was almost the levels which Bank Nifty was not able to cross in the intraday on the upper side. So we were quite clear that Bank Nifty will not go bullish, or we cannot go long in Bank Nifty, because until and unless it's covered this level. So these levels almost I discussed in my previous day analysis video also, that until and unless Bank Nifty is able to cross this zone and able to sustain above it, we are not going to take any long position in Bank Nifty. So this is I am talking only for intraday. Similarly, on the downside, if we see, so first level what we have in intraday was 34,200. So if you see yesterday, it almost tried multiple times to come down, but again it almost closed at the same level, 34,200 level. So this will be a critical level for today. So if Bank Nifty like opens flat, so we can expect this level, but then we have to keep an eye on if Bank Nifty again breaks this level and come to 34,000, which is again a psychological support for Bank Nifty. Similarly, on the upside also 34,600 and above, it should go and sustain those levels to go long in Bank Nifty. So these are the levels for intraday. But as I mentioned, the global markets are negative, and we could see a negative opening in Bank Nifty as well. So what we are expecting, if we get a negative opening of almost 2%, 1 to 2%, and if we see Bank Nifty going below 33,800 levels, then we can see a more sharp fall in Bank Nifty, and we have to be cautious about it and take our positions accordingly. And then we cannot go for long position until and unless it crosses 34,000 level and above. So these are the levels for today. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, you can subscribe to my channel and put your valuable comments. So thank you everyone, and see you again in my next video. Thank you.